Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is at Crypto and Mining Updates 2025. So on today's video, I want to show you guys step by step on how to add the very network on your Web3 wallet. And by Web3, I mean wallets like MetaMask, OKX, any self-custodial wallet. So this is a step guide on how to add the very network on your Web3 wallet. So yeah, what you do, just head on to your MetaMask and open your wallet like that. Open your MetaMask like this. Then after opening your MetaMask wallet, come below here where you can see a browse option here. Come and select browse option. So okay, after selecting the MetaMask browse option, come and search on the search tab, search for chainlist.org or https:/chainlist.org. So just type on that. For my case, I'll just paste it like that. Don't worry, I'll provide this link on the description of the video, so you'll just use it to search it. So you to search the domain. So yeah, just search for chainlist.org and hit on enter. Then when you search for chainlist.org and you hit on enter, you land on this page. So when you land on this page, come and connect your wallet. So come and select here connect wallet. So connect your wallet. Then Wall3 network wants to connect this website with MetaMask, then your wallet. So yeah, come and click on connect. Click on connect, then just wait for it to connect. So you can see that it's connected. My wallet is connected successfully. So yeah, now after connecting your wallet successfully, now how you add the very network on your MetaMask wallet, it's very simple. You see this search tab here, come and search for very. So basically very network is already added on MetaMask, so you just have to search for it here. When you search for it here, automatically it's going to appear below here. You can see very mainnet, chain ID and currency and the network. Sorry, the word we are searching is very and the network is here. So after searching it correctly, come and proceed to click on add to MetaMask wallet. So basically when you click on add to MetaMask wallet, the very mainnet is going to be automatically added to our MetaMask wallet. So let me proceed. So add to MetaMask. Then you can see add very mainnet. You're adding this network to MetaMask and giving chainlist.org permission to use it. So you can see the currency, the very, the symbol, and all of these. So yeah, you can just proceed to click on confirm. So proceed to click on confirm. Then chain.org connect this website with MetaMask. Use your enabled network requesting very. So come and click on confirm to add the very network to your MetaMask. So I think I've added it successfully. So let me just go back and confirm if it's added on my MetaMask wallet successfully. So let me go back. Then of course come and search for networks. Here you can see here's where the network section. So click on there, then scroll below to see if it has been added, and there it is. You can see very network has been added on our MetaMask wallet successfully. So just click on it to switch to very network. Then you have switched to very mainnet. Things to keep in mind: the native token on this network is very, it's the token used for gas fee, blah. If you are tempted to send directly, blah blah blah, your tokens may not automatically show up in your wallet. You have to add them manually, yeah, of course. So come and click on got it. Then you can see there is our token. You have added it. You have added the very token successfully on your MetaMask homepage. Now if you have some very tokens, if you had sent some very tokens, they will automatically reflect here. If you had transferred some very tokens from your very chat app to your Web3, they will automatically appear here. So yeah, that's it on adding the very network on your MetaMask wallet and adding the very token. So if you had transferred some tokens to your very wallet, if you had transferred very tokens from your very chat app to your MetaMask wallet, then they should appear here. But if you haven't, then they will appear like it will show the way mine is showing 0 very. So yeah, that's how you add a very on your MetaMask wallet. So on the next video, I'll be showing you step by step on how to transfer your very tokens from your very chat app to your MetaMask wallet, and your very tokens will reflect here. So yeah, after watching this video, just go to my channel, subscribe, then just scroll below, you'll find the video on how to transfer VeriChat tokens to your MetaMask wallet below. Basically, that's it. Don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel for more crypto and mining updates. Adios until the next video.